frappe. I made a big. I put some between like so. Add my straw.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how to make the best frappe. You're going to need milk, caramel, whipped cream, some decaf or liquid coffee, some vanilla extract, ice, and sugar, and some creamer. Obviously a blender, so you're going to put a lot of ice. I'm making this for 1 cup, but this could be for 2. You put a lot of ice. You need to make sure you have more ice than the amount of milk. I added 1/2 a cup of milk and 1/4 of creamer. After a little bit, I added a little more milk because it was a little too strong. I added some caramel, 1 spoon of vanilla extract. I added a little more than a spoon for the flavor. And you blend it up. I added 2.5 spoons of coffee. It's guess and check type method. You add 2 spoons, and then from there you see, after you blend it, you taste it, you see if you want to add more. I also added 3 spoons of sugar. It's obviously to your liking. Make sure it's not chunky. It's a slushy type consistency. Now for my cup, I put it in the freezer for a little bit because I washed it with hot water. I'm gonna put the caramel like that and pour the frappe. I made a big cup, as you can see. I put some more caramel at the top. I put some whipped cream like so. And this is how it came out. Add my straw. And this is how it looks. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Comment down below if you liked the recipe or not, if it was missing something, what you would add if it did miss anything. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys later.